Now we will discuss mode here. Basically, mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. So you can say if a value is occurring most of the time, then that value is the mode of that given data set. First of all, I will discuss case 1. The observation which occurs maximum number of times in a given data set is called mode. Now I am just taking an example. Suppose we have a data like 1 2 1 4 1 7 8 1 9 1. So you have to just cross check which observation is coming maximum number of times. So here we can see like 1 is occurring 1 2 3 4 5 times, and all the other elements are occurring just one time. So you can say the mode value is 1 here, because the frequency of 1 is maximum in this given data set. Now the second case, when in discrete distribution, we can say the value of x which has maximum frequency is called mode. Now I am just taking example. Suppose this is the x value, this is the frequency. Suppose x is 1 2 3 4 5, and corresponding frequencies are given 49 52 48 30 and 15. So you have to just check which observation of x is having the maximum frequency. So what is the maximum frequency in this? 52 is the frequency which is maximum. So you can say observation 2 has maximum frequency, so mode value is 2 here. 2 is the answer. Now the last case, mode of continuous frequency distribution. In this case, your data will be given like in class interval, and corresponding frequencies will be given here. So here your mode value is defined as L plus H times F minus F1 whole divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2, where L is the lower limit of modal class, F is the frequency value of modal class. Now F1 and F2 and H, there are 3 more variables. The F1 is frequency preceding modal class, F2 is the frequency succeeding. Modal class value, and the H is bits of model class. You have to write a remark also. If 2f minus f1 minus f2 is equal to 0, then you have to use mode value is L plus h times f minus f1 whole divided by mod of f minus f1 plus mod of f minus f2.